While you're legally allowed to file an expungement on your own, it's generally not a good idea. My name is Anastasia. I'm a criminal defense attorney with Dummett Fraden, and I can help you file your expungement. Filing an expungement is a complex process. You have to prepare the proper documentation. You need to serve those documents on the appropriate parties. You then need to calendar to go in front of a judge. Then you need to appear on that court date. And all that is just for a simple expungement. If that charge was a conviction, you need additional paperwork, including original notarized documents. As you can see, filing an expungement is a complex process. We handle this all the time. Let Dummett Fraden help you clean your record.